Hello students, today we will start with exercise 13.3 of chapter Perimeter and Area. Story sums. Question number 1. Students learning gardening were asked to make a flower bed along the walls of their school garden. The school garden is 70 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the total length of the flower bed to be made? Okay. Students were asked to make a flower bed along the walls of their school garden. Okay, suppose this is a school garden and they have to make a flower bed along the walls, means this. Okay, and the garden is 70 meter long and 50 meter broad. That is, this is a rectangle because its length is given and breadth is also given. So a garden is in rectangle shape and we have to make a flower bed along the walls, means we have to cover its boundary, so we have to find its perimeter. Okay, what we have to find the length of the flower bed, we have to find the perimeter of that garden. Okay, now perimeter of school garden or rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. 2 into length is 70 meter and breadth is 50 meter. Okay, 70 plus 50 is equals to 120. Now 120 into 2, 240 meter. We have to use the unit also. Okay, it is important. 240 meter is the answer. So the total length of the flower bed is 240 meter. Second question, Mrs. Roy bought a carpet of 15 meter long and 12 meter broad. What is its perimeter? Okay, we have to find the perimeter. Its length is given, breadth is given, so find the perimeter of rectangle. Question number 3. Abha and Mohit are runners. They are preparing for an athletic championship. Every day they run 10 rounds of a square field with the side measuring 200 meter. What distance do they run every day? Okay. Abha and Mohit preparing for athlete championship. Every day they have to run 10 rounds of a square field whose side is 200 meter. Okay. What distance do they run every day? We have to find the distance they run every day. Okay. This is a square field and one side is 20 meter. Okay, when they run around the square garden, so what does they cover? They cover its boundary, means its perimeter. In one round they cover its perimeter 1 times, and in 10 rounds they cover its perimeter by 10 times. So first we have to find the perimeter of this square, then we will multiply it by 10. Perimeter of square field. 4 into side is 200. Okay, 4 into 200 is equals to 800 meter. Perimeter is 800 meter. So in one round they cover the distance of 800 meter, but they take 10 rounds every day. So in 10 rounds they will cover the distance 10 into 800. Distance of one round into 10, 8000 meter. Or we can convert it into kilometer, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 8000 meter is equals to 8 kilometer. Question number 4. A rectangular field is of length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. It has to be fenced all around. Find the length of fencing required. A rectangular field length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. It has to be fenced all around. Okay, fenced means boundary. Okay, we have to cover it by boundary. हमें इसकी boundary करनी है. Okay, it has to be fenced all around. Find the length of fencing required. आपको जो boundary करनी है उसकी length find करनी है. Find the length of fencing required. Okay, what we have to find? Like perimeter. Okay, whenever we have to find the length of fencing, we will find the perimeter. Okay, so length is given, breadth is given, so you can find the perimeter. Now question number 5. The square garden is 56 meter long. How much wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times? Okay. Now this time the garden is square. Side is given 56 meter. How much wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times? Okay. Now we are fencing the square garden 2 times. Okay. First we have to find the length of fencing, means perimeter of that square. So after that we will multiply it by 2 times because we have to fence it 2 times. Okay. First find the perimeter of garden. 4 into side. Side is 56 meter. 4 into 56 is equals to 224 meter. The perimeter of square garden is 224 meter. Now this garden is fenced by wire 2 times. So we have to multiply this perimeter by 2 times because it covers the perimeter 2 times. 2 into 224 is equals to 448 meter. So the length of wire which is needed to fence it 2 times is 448 meter. Question number 6. The perimeter of a square carpet is 200 meter. What is the length of one side? Now in this question perimeter is given and we have to find the length of one side. Okay, we have to find the side of square and perimeter is given. In other questions we know the side and we have to find the perimeter, but in this question we have to find the side. Okay, perimeter of a square carpet is 200 meter. First we will write the perimeter which is 200 meter. Now what is the formula for perimeter of a square? 4 into side. We will write the formula in this left side. Okay, after the perimeter 4 into side is equal to 200. Okay, because perimeter is 200 and this is the formula for perimeter. We have to write both. Now 4 into side. We have to find the side and 4 is with multiplication with side. Now when we shift this 4 to other side means other side of equals to. When we shift this 4 to other side of the equal sign, then it will convert to divide. This multiplication will convert to division. Okay, multiply will convert to divide will convert to multiply, plus will convert to minus and minus will convert to plus. Now this is multiply, so multiply will convert to divide. Now this 4 comes here with division. Okay, now 200 divided by 4 is equals to 50 meter. So the side is 50 meter. Question number 7. A rectangular field length and breadth both are given. We have to find the length of boundary wall, means the perimeter. Okay, you have to find the perimeter in question number 7. Question number 8. Calculate the missing measurements of each of the following squares and rectangles. In first box the perimeter of square is given and in second box rectangle is given. First part, perimeter of square is equals to, we know the perimeter of square 160 millimeter and we have to find the length of side. Okay, the question is same as question number 6. Okay, here the perimeter is 200, here perimeter is 160 millimeter and we have to find the length. The same process used which is used in question number 6. Okay, in second part length is given. We will use the formula 4 into side, so 4 into 20 is equals to 80 meter. So the perimeter is 80 meter. Same question number 3rd, perimeter is given and we have to find the length, same as question number 1. Okay, you can do the all 4 parts of this square. Now rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 180 millimeter. Breadth is we have to find and length is 60 millimeter. length of rectangle is 60 millimeter and perimeter of rectangle is equals to 180 millimeter. We know the perimeter, so just write the formula for perimeter here. 2 into L plus B is equals to 180 because the perimeter of rectangle is 180 millimeter. Okay, so we have to write in this way. Okay, whenever we have to find the perimeter, we will write the formula in right side of equals to, and when we have to find the length, breadth or side, we will write the formula on left hand side. Okay, 2 into L plus B is equals to 180 meter. Now this 2, now put the value of length is 60 millimeter, so we will put 60 in place of L. Okay, replace 60 by replace L by 60. Now this 2 is in with multiplication with this bracket. Now transfer this, shift this 2 to other side. Multiplication sign will convert to division. Okay, now 180 divided by 2 is equals to 90. 60 plus, no need to write the bracket now. 60 plus B is equals to 90. Now this 60 is with addition sign with B. Okay, now shift this 60 to other side. Now it will comes with negative sign because it is with positive sign with addition. Now it will, when we transfer it to other side, it will convert to subtraction, minus. Now 90 minus 60 is equals to 30. So breadth is 30 millimeter. Same in question number 6 part. Breadth is 5 meter and perimeter is 26 meter. So we will put 5 in place of B and do the same process as we have done in question in 5th part. You have to do all the parts of this exercise. Okay, thank you.